I'm filming today with my iPhone 12 Pro and I don't know if you can see from there, the Blue Yeti Nano. What's going on, guys? So today's the morning of the skydive. How do I feel? Excitement and restlessness. Well, a few years ago I came across skydiving and I found it interesting, kind of a bit of a thrill seeker, so I thought why not? It didn't happen, COVID came in the way, and then a few months ago one of my friends approached me who works for a charity, and he said, well, we're fundraising for the floods that happen in Bangladesh, and with this fundraise we want to do a skydive. So I thought, why not? This is a two-in-one opportunity. Put some posters out. Some of the friends and family, they sponsored for the skydive, and some of them, they decided to donate directly towards a cause. We managed to raise a good amount of money, and all that money is now going to go to the floods of Bangladesh. The original plan was 15 of us were supposed to be going all together. Unfortunately, that did get cancelled due to the weather. We tried arranging it again. Some of us couldn't make it. What's happened is most of us are now doing our individual skydive. However, all the donations are still going to the Bangladesh floods. One thing I didn't know, that it heavily depends on the weather. So if it's slightly more windy, if it's a little bit more rainy, then for people who are jumping the first time around, they really take the weather into consideration. Why would I go skydiving on an adrenaline-fueled, once-in-a-lifetime experience where I have to sign a document that says this? Skydiving sport parachuting is a risk sport where there is always a small but definite risk of death. So yeah, that's the whole declaration form, and it's all signed. Alright, we're ready to go. See you at the airfield. Quick update, we've got to wait 1.5 hours for our dive because there was a delay this morning.
Good afternoon, welcome to Skydive TV. I'm Simon and you are?
Ishmael.
Nice to meet you, Ishmael. So we're going skydiving?
Yeah,
Where are we going skydiving?
We're raising money for charity for floods in Bangladesh.
Oh wow,
That's what we're raising money for.
excellent. So lots of people sponsored you?
Lots of people, families, friends. Some of them know I'm here today, some of them don't.
Oh, so are they all paid?
Yep,
So the money's in the bank, you've just got to jump out of a plane.
that's it. That's the
Yeah?
one.
You excited?
Excited.
You look excited. You don't look nervous.
I'm cool.
This makes me worried if you're not nervous, because we're going to get a plane, go all the way up to 2 miles from the sky, and stand you out the plane, and you're ready, set, go, jump out the plane,
That's it.
punch in the air, open the parachute. I'll let you have a little fly around, and you can land well. Land us just out here, okay?
Sorted.
Should we go do it?
Go for it.
Go do it! Launched out of an aeroplane,
Awesome.
10,000 feet. Absolutely rocked it, buddy.
Wow, man.
Super job. Nice flying of the canopy.
I was sweating so fast.
It's like you've been doing this all your life, buddy. really good job. Welcome to skydiving.
Awesome, cheers for that, thank you. Awesome, man.
Just so you know, your arms and legs go completely numb on the way down, and things were just way too fast. But is it worth it? Absolutely. 100%. Definitely recommend it.